Nagbabala rin si Senator Lacson na if ever he does accept the Blue Ribbon Committee chairmanship all over again, baka matanggal si Tito Soto, magbago yung mga alyansa sa Senado, magbago yung majority, and I suppose pag magbago majority, matatanggal din siya as Blue Ribbon Committee chairman. So how does that work? I mean, well, let me put it this way. Uh, Kasi sabi nyo kanina, you want to focus on the modus and not necessarily on naming people. So what do we do? What happens then if Senator Ping Lacson continues on doing what he was doing before he resigned?
Well, all I can say is that kung sino ito yung who the real culprits are, we should really, no, we should get to the bottom of this. No, as of now, I myself already have an idea who are the people behind. No, and I think their names have really, we really have to expose their names once the Blue Ribbon Committee resumes. So. Doon sa it's really this is really a difficult situation for everybody, no? I think it's not only for the Senate as an institution, it's for the government itself and for everybody na everybody is sensitive, everybody is furious. So pag paano ang hirap pag nandito ang decision mo, the one sector will get mad if you're in the right, the other sector will get mad. So you just have to be very careful and be sensitive in what's really happening right now.
So solid ngayon yung majority sa Senate, no shake-ups in the works?
Well, I could say that we're 15, then there's 9 minority. Kumbaga masabi nga nila manipis to,
Manipis,
no? Yeah, manipis yun. And everybody, anytime, as I mentioned, Ed, this is a very sensitive, precarious situation. Anything can happen. But I don't think another leadership change would be good, no? Kasi we just had a leadership change again to give chance. Sabi nga nag-away na yung dalawang bahay, nagsunugan. That's what I meant by burning the house was how the house will attack the Senate will attack the house. At least we have leadership changes to have to a reboot, so to speak. So we're hoping that we will just continue with the present leadership because I don't think it would look good to have another leadership change, especially during this very crucial and precarious situation that we have right now.
Yun nga sir, baka may matchingan lang baka magbago yung mga alyansa pag may matchingan lang And yun nga, like you said, it's not gonna look good on the Senate if you you change your leadership all over again in a matter of weeks. Especially especially with something as controversial as this, na baka there will be a perception na parang senators are protecting some of their own.
Yes, we're hoping also that na sana if we could wrap up the Blue Ribbon Committee hearings already, and now that the ICI will be televised and will be they already agreed to a live feed, and we're hoping that they will do a good job para hindi na awkward. It's so difficult to investigate your own house and then Senate, and again I'm hoping for the best that we will choose the best Blue Ribbon Committee chair, and we just have to support. No, marami namang capable dyan. I was offered to head it once, but I begged off because I know that Senator Lacson, Senator Marcoleta, Senator Pia Cayetano, and others are very much capable to lead this very important committee right now.